So in this video, we will going to explain the following concept. First is the world of diversity. Second, the global community. Third is the cultural awareness and sensitivity. Fourth is the gender sensitivity. And the last one is the political correctness. So, world of diversity. Communicating in a world of diversity, in our growing, diverse society, is very important to have diverse communication skills. The reason for this is because it brings richness in our society. Effective communication helps us better understand a person or situation, enables us to resolve differences, build trust and respect, and creative environments where creative ideas, problems solving, affection, and caring can flourish. So next is the global community. Global and community are two words that belong together. Global describes the world. It refers to everything, everywhere, or the whole planet. While community refers to people who live in the same area and share common characteristic and interest. So, global community refers to the growing interconnectedness of people around the world. It's made up of people from all over the world who are connected by gender, interests such as technology, economics, global issues, and more. In the 21st century, global community has become a popular buzzword due to the result of globalization in the 19th and 20th centuries, which has led many people to wonder what this actually means to each member of the world community. Next is the cultural awareness and sensitivity. So, what is the difference between cultural awareness and cultural sensitivity? Cultural awareness is a person's understanding of the difference between themselves and people from the other culture. Furthermore, cultural awareness means a person understand how cultural similarities and differences affect their behaviors. While cultural sensitivity means that a person understands cultural differences and doesn't assign them value. So, cultural awareness and cultural sensitivity are both important. These two ways of thinking go hand in hand. Cultural awareness and cultural sensitivity are things people learn through training and reflection. Workplaces and employers need both to create a great workplace. Next is the gender sensitivity. So, gender sensitivity is the process by which people are made aware of how gender plays a role in life through their treatment of others. Gender relations are present in all institutions, and gender sensitivity especially manifests in recognizing privilege and discrimination around gender. Women are generally seen as disadvantaged in society. Gender sensitivity trainings are used to educate people, usually employees, to become more aware of a sensitive to gender in their lives or workplace. This type of training is becoming more popular in the United States, particularly in areas of the service industry such as healthcare and education. And the last one is political correctness. So, political correctness is a term used to describe language, policies, or measures that are intended to avoid offense or disadvantage to members of particular groups in society. Since the late 1980s, the term has been used to describe a preference for inclusive language and avoidance of language or behavior that can be seen as excluding, marginalizing, or insulting to groups of people disadvantaged or discriminated against, particularly groups defined by ethnicity, sex, gender, or sexual orientation. In public discourse in the media, the term is generally used as a pejorative with an implication that these policies are excessive or unwarranted.